Okay, welcome to the exercise section for the lookup function. Okay, so here we have two tables. We have two tables, okay, with tax, of course, to do. We have two tables. We have the customer table, we have the other table, and this exercise has been done in such a way that you um, use to make you use all the functions you've learned so far, from textual functions all the way to lookup functions. Of course, there'll still be some tweak before this dataset drops, so that it can be ensured that you use all the functions. Okay, and ensure that you use all the functions. And you can see the tags here. So we have the data cleaning tags. We have the data enrichment tags, which is lookup. We have feature engineering, where you create new feature, new columns from existing ones, and you have some analysis to carry out. You can see how nice, and you have some advanced challenges as well. So you can look forward to an exciting time with this data set. Okay, so it will be dropped in the description below. You should find this. It says there the link to download this set out. Okay, the link to download data set should be there. So feel free to try this out, and when you do, come back and leave a comment. So if I get enough comments, get enough likes, I might just drop the solution to the exercises. All right. So see you in the next.